Hello children, how are you? Hope you will be good. Today I am going to take class 6th and the chapter we are doing is mensuration. Yes, measurement. Okay, so let's come to question number 4 of exercise 10.3 that is based on area. Right? Now here you can see a different question. अभी तक हम लोगों ने किया था कि हमें dimensions दिए रहते थे. That means length and breadth is given to you or side is given to you. And you have to find the area. लेकिन इस क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है that in this question the area of the rectangular garden is given to you. Area of rectangular garden इतना meter long, that means length is with us and area we are having. Okay, what we have to find out is width of the garden. Width of the garden, that means we have to find the breadth of the garden. इसकी चौड़ाई कितनी है, लंबाई हमें पता है, that is 50 meter. Let's find out that. We can find out by using the formula of area. Okay, so let's start. Area of rectangular park, that will be equal to what? What is the area of rectangle? That is length into breadth, right? Now what is your L? L is given to you what? 50 meter. And what is B? B is, we don't know. So let B with B as B only. B हमें पता नहीं है. We have to find out this. तो फिर हमने वो B ही ले लिया. Just put question mark only. Okay. We are having with us what? Area is given to us. Area of park is given. How much? That is equal to 300 square meter. Now just put all these things. This is all given. Okay, everything is given to us. What we have to find out? Just find out area of rectangular garden, that is equal to length. Length we are having, yes, 50 meter, and breadth we don't know. Let it be B only. Area की जगह हम लिख लेंगे what? 300 square meter, right? And what is our B? तो B is equal to क्या हो जाएगा? B यही रहेगा and this will come this side, that is it will get divided, that is 50 meter से हम divide जब इसको करेंगे 1010 cut and this is 6 and see meter square, that means 2 meters are there, तो 1 meter cut हो जाता है and 1 is left. Don't cut it here, just I want to tell you, that's why I just cut it. 2 meters are there, that means 1 meter will get cut. Only 1 meter is left. So what is your answer? B is equal to how much? This is 6. 6 meter. What is your B? That is 6 meter. So this is 50 into 1010 cut 6 5 6 are 30, right? This is 6 meter. So children, in this way you can find out the breadth, that is width of the garden. What is given to you? Write down that first. Given लिखा, उसके बाद A जो हमारा formula है, just put that into the numbers into that and you can find out the area as well as width या कोई भी dimension. One more thing, just keep in mind, I'm writing over here. See what you have to do. If breadth you have to find out, what you have to do? Area of rectangle divided by क्या कर देंगे हम? Length, right? And if length is unknown to you, then how you will find out? और आपको दिया हुआ है area of rectangle दिया हुआ है और breadth is given to you, तो आप क्या करेंगे? लेंथ फाइंड आउट करने के लिए एरिया में डिवाइड कर देंगे ब्रेड को. डायरेक्टली ऑल्सो यू कैन राइट एज इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी कैन डायरेक्टली डू कि हाँ विड्थ मीन्स ब्रेड्थ ऑफ द गार्डन विल बी, दैट विल बी इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल डिवाइडेड बाय इट्स लेंथ. ओके, सो इन दिस वे यू कैन डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. लेट्स कम टू 5th क्वेश्चन. See children, here we are having 5th question with us. What is the cost of tiling a rectangular plot? एक rectangular plot हमारे पास है, इसको हमें टाइल करना है, मीन्स इस पे हमें टाइल्स लगानी है, राइट? टाइल्स लगानी है इस पे हमें. Of land दैट इज 500 मीटर लॉन्ग। इसकी लेंथ हमें पता है कितनी है, 500 मीटर इसकी लेंथ है, एंड इतना मीटर वाइड, दैट मीन्स बी ऑल्सो वी नो, विड्थ ऑल्सो वी नो हाउ मच, 200 मीटर। सो एट द रेट ऑफ, अच्छा टाइल का रेट भी दिया हुआ है कि पर 100 स्क्वायर मीटर टाइल जो है ₹8 की है। ₹8 पर 100 मीटर स्क्वायर टाइलिंग का रेट दिया हुआ है। रेट ऑफ टाइलिंग, रेट मीन्स टाइल लगाने में जो कॉस्ट लगेगी वो है ₹8 पर 100 स्क्वायर मीटर, राइट? ओके, नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू फर्स्टली फाइंड आउट द एरिया। हमें सबसे पहले पता होना चाहिए कि कितनी जगह पे हमें टाइल लगानी है, कितनी जगह पे हमें टाइलिंग करनी है। मीन्स फर्स्टली व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज द area of the rectangular plot to be tiled, जिसको हमें टाइलिंग जिसके ऊपर लगानी है, that will be length into breadth. Okay, so what is the length? See, what is the length given? That is 500. You can write in bracket what is it is given now. It is 500 meter. And what is the breadth? That is equal to 200 meter. If you are not writing here and you have made the figure, then that is also the right way to do. Okay, so this is itna meter into 200 meter. अब दोनों को जो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 2 5s are 10 आ गया, and 2 0 and 2 0, 1 2 1 2. Okay, this much square meter. What? Square meter. Now see, what is given now? They have asked what? Cost of tiling. Cost of tiling this much area. ये हमसे पूछा है। Given क्या है देखो, cost of tiling. What? 100 square meter is equal to ₹8. Right? Means 100 square meter का रेट इतना है, तो कॉस्ट ऑफ हमारे पास पता चल गया हमें टोटल एरिया कितना हमें टाइल करना है, दैट इज कॉस्ट ऑफ टाइलिंग हाउ मच यूनिट इन 100,000 10,000 lakh 1 lakh square meter is equal to what you will do, multiply this. जब 100 स्क्वायर मीटर का इतना है, दैट मीन्स इतने का कितना होगा, व्हाट यू विल डू, 1 lakh into 8 divided by 100. Why? Because see 100 का इतना है, 100 स्क्वायर मीटर का 8 है, दैट मीन्स 1 स्क्वायर मीटर का कितना होगा, 8 डिवाइडेड बाय 100. तो इतने का कितना होगा, दिस इज ऑफ 1, दैट मीन्स इतने का कितना मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो 2 0 कैंसिल, व्हाट इज लेफ्ट, सी 8,000 rupees, 8,000. Okay, so in this way children you can find out the cost of tiling this much area of this much area. Okay, that is the rectangular plot is having this much area. इसको टाइलिंग करने का कॉस्ट हम इस तरह से पता लगा सकते हैं. As we know what is the cost of tiling 100 square meter area. Okay, that is ₹8. तो इसका कितना होगा, ₹8,000. So in this way we have completed our 5th question. मिलते हैं अपनी next video में with the next new questions. Till then, goodbye children. Thank you and have a nice day.